Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Changkuoth Nyak. I want to speak about the serious suffering of my people, the Nuer people, who are now living in Matar near the Ethiopian border. These are the same people who were displaced from Nasser after their home were burned down during fighting earlier this year. Since then, they have been forced to flee and now they are living in very poor condition in Matar. There are no houses or proper shelters. Most of them are sleeping inside the school, but even the school cannot hold the whole community. Families are staying outside in the open, and now floods are destroying the place they run to for safety. People are hungry, they are sick, and they have no clean water or medical help. The situation is getting worse every day, as you can see on this picture. These are women, children, and elderly people. They are suffering right now and they need help urgently. Well, since the arrest of Dr. Riek Machar in March 26, 2025, many Nuer villages have been attacked. It feels like we are being punished just because we support him. Villages have been burned, people have been forced to run, and even military helicopters have been used to scare and chase our people out of their homes. Now our people are trapped at the border with nothing but pain, fear, and hunger. We all have seen all this situation happening around us. But it seems like the international community do not care about the suffering of our people. We have never seen international community condemning Kir Mayadit bombarding the civilian in Nasser, and also on the ongoing bombardment in Fangak. And these are the counties that are inhabited by the Nuer people. And yet the international community did not seem to care. I'm asking the international community, humanitarian organization, and anyone who can help, please come and see what is happening to us. We are human beings, we are not soldiers. We are just civilians trying to survive. Our people in Matar need food, clean water, shelter, medicine, and protection. I speak not for myself, but for thousands who are silent because they are suffering. Please hear our cry, help our people. And most of our people, the Nuer, they are also looking forward for South Sudan government to release Dr. Riek Machar, so that both the leader can agree upon how the South Sudan can move forward. And also the people are also asking Kir Mayadit to respect the 2018 peace agreement, the revitalized peace agreement, because right now the 2018 peace agreement seems collapse. As we have seen in all the report from South Sudan government led by Kir Mayadit, Kir used to say that peace is there, and that the 2018 peace agreement didn't collapse. So these are simply baseless speech, just to confuse the international community, because what we are seeing right now, there's no such thing as peace agreement. There's no such thing as unity in South Sudan. What we are witnessing is a deliberate targeting of the Nuer innocent people, like we have seen it in March in Nasser, when Kir Mayadit and SSPDF and Uganda People Defense Force targeted innocent civilians by using gunship, antidote, and using incendiary chemical. And this incendiary chemical, it has been banned by the international community, and yet the South Sudan government is still using it against the innocent people. So this is very worst situation that our people are going through. If Kir Mayardit want to implement the peace agreement, let him first release Dr. Riek Machar and all others political prisoners that are in Juba in Blue House. So I believe this will be the way out for South Sudan community, to have a chance of dialogue and agree to move forward, so that people of South Sudan can select and vote for the right leader in 2026 election. Well, this is my message. Our people are going through a rough time and they really need help in South Sudan Ethiopia border in Matar. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.